Hello my dear student, welcome to K.K. Tutorial. Today we will study about how does an eclipse happen. My dear student, have you ever wondered why and how these eclipses occur? So in today's video I will clear all your doubts regarding eclipse, so let's get started. So student, at the end of the video you will be able to identify the types of shadows and their characteristics. Compare and contrast the different types of solar eclipses. Recognize the importance of safety during eclipse observation. Before starting with eclipse, first we will discuss what is the shadow and how they formed. So my dear students, shadow is nothing but space when the light is blocked by an opaque object. It is just that part where light does not reach. When you stand in the sun, you are able to see your shadow behind you. Shadows are formed by light, because if light shines onto an object, and the object blocks the light will go sideways of the object, and therefore, a shadow is formed. The shadows are classified into three categories: umbra, penumbra, and antumbra. The umbra is the part of a shadow where the light source is completely blocked. The penumbra can be seen as the partially shaded area surrounding by umbra. And the antumbra is a lighter shadow surrounded by a darker region, observed during certain conditions like solar eclipse. Now students, what is an eclipse? So an eclipse is a special event that occurs when one celestial body passes through the shadow of another celestial body. The most common type of eclipse we observe here on the earth, which are solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So students, how and why these solar eclipses occur? A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the earth and the sun, blocking the sunlight from reaching certain areas on earth. During the solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow onto the earth's surface. There are three types of solar eclipse, such as partial solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse, total solar eclipse. Now we'll discuss each solar eclipse in detail. So the first solar eclipse is partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth, but the sun, moon, and earth are not perfectly lined up. Only a part of the sun will appear to be covered, giving it a crescent shape. This is what you see from earth. So the second solar eclipse is total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth, completely blocking the face of the Sunday. This is what you see from earth. Now the last solar eclipse is annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is farther from the earth and appears smaller. During these eclipses, the moon doesn't fully cover the sun, leaving a ring of sunlight visible around its edge. This is what you see from earth. Eclipse safety. So my dear students, why should we be careful with the solar eclipse? Because this exposure to the light can cause damage or even destroy cells in the retina, the back of the eye, that transmit what you see to the brain. This damage can be temporary or permanent and occurs with no pain. It can take a few hours to a few days after viewing the solar eclipse to realize the damage that has occurred. It is advised that one should not look at the sun directly during the solar eclipse, as it can permanently damage the eyes. The only safe way to look directly at the sun is through special purpose solar filters. Thank you for watching, my dear students. If you found these content helpful and informative, then don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel for more. See you in next video.